guys, magkakabit tayo ngayon ng multi-point na water heater. So dito yan. Ayan.
If you wanna rope a cowboy, if you wanna take a cowboy home,
So ito yung breaker natin. Then itong heater na to, multi-point din yan, ikakabit natin sa baba, lilipat. Then papalitan natin ng bago, 8.0 yan. So papalitan natin kasi may bathtub kasi to, so dapat medyo malaki-laki.
hold on tight and ride, ride, ride. You gotta kick, stomp, boost you to the right. Throw your hands up and touch that sky. Just step to the left, now hold on tight and ride, ride, ride.
So guys, tapos na tayo. Na-install na natin ang multi-point heater. So nilagyan natin ng 30 amperes na breaker. Yan o. Then ito, ililipat natin sa baba. And then yung shower natin is, try natin yung shower. Yan o. So napakainit na yan guys. Yan, sobrang init na yan. Itimplay na lang. So goods na yan.
Never leave your side. You gotta kick,